Convertible Car, a movie by Aaron, which is me, and it's starring Slick Rick, which is Convertible Car. Other actors and actresses: Aaron, Eric, Haley, and Brendan. Directed by Aaron, which is me, again. So, hold on, right? Hold on a second, and now I'll get everything situated. This is Slick Rick. And this is my dad, Eric. Say hi.
Hello.
He'd like to say a few words.
I'm Eric, and I'm going to show my new car convertible opening up, okay? Dun 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 dun. Here we go.
Let's dance. Oh, it's going to open. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so cool. Look at it. Look at this spectacular. Look at it. I'm Wonder Woman. Hey. Haley. And that's just my sister and brother, Rectangular Superheroes. Don't worry about them. Haley and Brendan. Say hi, Haley.
And that's the car opening up.